Good morning, everybody. Getting right to it. Good morning, getting right to it. Getting right to it. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone is doing just fantastic. My goodness, what's going on here? I mean, we're starting the day with a huge gap. Huge gap. Basically opening beneath the low yesterday. Huge gap right there. Not sure what's happening here. All right. Here we go. This is a little bit crazy right now. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Uncertain, waiting. Just waiting. This is just choppy right now. Very choppy. Another bear bar. Just waiting. Just waiting for a move of some sort here. Not sure what's happening here. Looks like it's pushing up. Good morning, everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat. Usually we get some crazy volatility when the market opens like 100 points beneath where it closed yesterday. Usually we get some motion early on, but this is kind of this is stalled out here. Yeah, just setting my pause here. Bear bar ending there, it's low. Bear bar ending on its low. No follow through. Golly, that's confusing. That's truly confusing right there. What's my 5-minute bar look like? Okay. Interesting. Lower high, but big up, big down. It's confusing, very confusing, as you can see. Nothing I love. Nothing I love. Big pushback up. What in the world's happening here? Disgusting right here. It's absolutely disgusting. Okay. So, 3 bull bars in a row. Undershoot, maybe lead to overshoot. Goodness, pandas, I'm just watching. I'm just watching. Goodness gracious, I'm just watching. Very choppy. No direction decided yet. Very confused market. Okay. Okay, interesting. Feels like entry short could be interesting here. Okay. I hate these outside bar reversals. They are messing with my mind. The outside bar reversals are messing me up like big time. I wanted to enter somewhere here, but outside bar reversal here again. It's messing with me. It's too difficult with the outside bar reversals. Very confusing. High or low? Just very confusing, pandas. Okay, a little bit of pause here. This is pretty hard. Pretty difficult. Not breaking out yet. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Another outside bar reversal. Absolutely diabolical. Super confusing. Outside bar reversals every single time. It's too difficult for me. I do not like outside bar reversals. It just means trading range, but it's the only time we can make a move here. Another outside bar reversal. What I mean by outside bar reversal is that it creates a reversal and then another reversal, double reversal in one single bar. It's super unreliable. Right? Because it means that you span the entire range of the previous bar plus a breakout. Very confusing. Unfortunate. Difficult to trade this. Nothing I love. Absolutely nothing I love here. Very confusing start of the day. I'll tell you that much. Very confusing start of the day. It looks like a bear flag, to be honest. A really big bear flag. From this huge move to the downside, it looks like some sort of bear flag here. Or it could be reversing off the previous day's low. But right now, it is looking more like a bear flag. Like it wants to test this low, overnight low. It looks like it wants to do that. In what manner, I'm not sure. A failed second entry long here could be decent trade. A failed second entry long here could be a decent trade. Okay. Second entry long here. A failed second entry long here could be a decent trade. Not sure if we're gonna get it though. Failed second entry long. Potential setting up here. Okay. It's a big wick. Nothing triggered yet. Huh. Could be a decent trade here. Could be a decent trade here. Okay. Does nothing. I said it does nothing. Ah. Truly impossible market to trade these days. Truly impossible market to trade. The 5-minute candles. It's outside bar, right? The second bar is outside bar. Very confusing, right? Market's confused. And it closes within the first bar. The range of the first bar. Very confused market. Let's say good morning, couple of you guys. Sorry, I was super focused. Austin here. Good morning, Toros. Good morning, Bob Stocks. Good morning, Sherman. Good morning, Stephen Black. Welcome back. Stephen Black, welcome back. Good morning, everybody. Get back to the bottom of this channel here. Flags. Basically, flags are just small consolidations after a strong move. So you get a strong move and then just a small consolidation and then a continuation of the original move. So it looks like a flag here, right? Like you basically make a flag here. That's it looks like a flag. That's just what they call it. Super confused market. If it consolidates, what's more important is the direction of the flag. If the flag is ascending, then it's bearish. If the flag is descending, then it's bullish. And you have to consider the the size, right? Compared to the move down, the size of this flag still makes sense, right? If this move down wasn't so strong, this flag would be too large and probably just a channel to the upside. But because the push down was so huge, like this push down was so huge, this could be a flag still. Right? The flag can't be that much bigger than the move itself, right? The previous, like the prior move. Right? Undershoot leans to overshoot. And bouncing off this trend line that started with this point, this point. Okay, going sideways for multiple bars. And the bars look like this. The count doesn't really matter. Doesn't matter how you count this. It's just super choppy. Bears are making money. Bulls are not really making money. We're still within the range of the first 5-minute bar. Let me show you. The 5-minute bar looks like this. We're still within the range of the first 5-minute bar, right? We close within the range of this bar. It looks like it wants to break down though. A second entry short I'll take. If it gives it to me. Small pullback bear trend. I'll try here. It's a bad signal bar, but it could be a nice break to the downside. Okay, we'll take the risk. Or took a little more risk than I wanted, but yeah. Come back to the 20 EMA. Ultimately here. Big push to the upside, right? That second entry fails. We came off the trend line. That was good enough, but obviously not. Big reversal. Like we're still within the range of the first 5-minute bar. Right here's the first 5-minute bar. Like today's a trading range day, like with a high percentage of the chance. Today's a trading range day. Right here's the range of the first 5-minute bar. Every single close has been in it. Buy low, high scalp. Yeah. Pandas, I'm sorry. I'm so frustrated with the market these days. So incredibly frustrated. I cannot tell you how frustrated I am. It's so frustrating. Golly, it's frustrating. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. Market has been super frustrating these last couple weeks. I'm sorry, Pandas. Like I'm so frustrated with the market right now. It's just ridiculous. It's just super choppy. We're not having any impulsive moves. Like we're not able to capture any trends. It's too difficult. We hit the top of the range. The previous candle's high could be the range people are looking for. I don't know. Feels like entry long could be okay trade here. I may not even get it, but I'll try. Alright, good enough for me. Even if it again, I'm gonna just try here. I don't care. Too many lost opportunities waiting for your setup, but if you know the direction, you gotta try a break of previous candles low. Something along those lines. I would like a scalp here, but it doesn't look like I'm getting it now. Looks like it's gonna trigger the fail second entry. I'm gonna try again here. Okay, fails. Like immediately fails. I think I need to test this lows. I'd like that. I don't think we're gonna get it. I'm coming out here break even. I mean, if we don't get this, then it is what it is. Scaling up on this position here. We hit the first target. Okay, come on, break even. 1,300. How much threshold did I lose? Unfortunately, lost like $500 threshold. Unfortunate. Trading TPT accounts here. I'm gonna go short again. Doesn't let me enter the short, of course. Beautiful short too. And the trade I go in, it won't retrace back to break even. Every single thing retraces except, okay, I'll take it. It does retrace the break even and takes me out. Stupid. So dumb. Guess we're going long, pandas. I mean, buy low size cow. What in the world's going on, pandas? Strong bear bar ending on its low. This is like terrible signal bar to go long. So you're not expecting much. But it looks like a full blown reversal. Could be trading range day. Alright, this is your signal bar to go long. Super sick. Hi, Harlow. Setting my pause here. I don't know. Reversal galore. Or just a pullback for no reason. Strong pullback for no reason. I'm so frustrated, pandas. It's just so frustrating. Goodness gracious. So frustrating. The trading days, every single move is choppy. Every single move is choppy. And it's volatile. That's the thing. We have a very volatile market, but super choppy. It's so frustrating. Can I tell you how frustrating it is? So frustrating. I don't know. I mean, we're in a trading range. It's difficult to say what's going to happen here. Break a trend new low. Feels like entry long here. It's just confusing. I'm not sure what's happening here. I'll take a long trade. Get out here. Thinking trading range day. Just trying to scalp out if we can. I mean, 20-point scalp, I'll take it. The 500 tick chart ATR is 22. It's absolutely crazy right now. Just scalping. We're just trying to scalp bottom of trading range. The reason why I'm saying it's trading range, look at the 5-minute chart. This is the 5-minute chart. We're just completely 5 bars overlapping right now. That is the definition of trading range. Golly, that's hard to see. These markers are too large. Let me change that. Pandas, how y'all doing today? How are you all doing today? Let's do it like this. Yeah, it's a little better. Another trading range. It's a very choppy day today. You're trying to buy low so high scalp for the time being. I could be gutsy here and just sell here, but it's a low probability trade, right? Is it? Actually, I don't know. Terrible signal bar. Completely overlapping bars. It's too difficult to trade this, pan. It's like good luck trading this. Like you got your limit orders. It's the only way. It's the only way right now. Limit orders is the only way to trade this. But we are making lower highs and lower lows, so you got to keep that in mind. Even though we're choppy, we're making lower highs, lower lows. Low EV day today. Possible negative EV day today. It's just terrible. Up 1K. I mean, not too shabby. Whatever. I'll take my 1K. You know what I mean? Green eval, but red funded account. Yeah. You're like, why didn't I just do the other way around? Okay. Pandas, yesterday I asked Apex, what happens after the sixth payout and you have more money in your account? Because technically, right, there's a safety net that you can't withdraw. You know, you can't withdraw, so you're gonna just lose your safety net. You're gonna just lose any money you have extra. Like, what happens to that money? I wanted to know, so I asked Apex, and they gave me some stupid answer by just giving me the article that I've already seen, and it doesn't answer the question. So I responded back saying, "Can you please clarify exactly what happens to the extra money that is in the account?" And let's see what they say. Let's see if they have an actual like intelligent response. Because I say this right now, Pandas. If you cannot take the extra money out of your account after the sixth payout, Apex is officially dead. Apex is officially dead. It's officially dead to me. Apex is officially dead to me. If you cannot take money out, the extra money you have in your account is official. Not only because like you can't get that money, but by principle alone, it's dead to me. Because no matter what, you have a safety net, right? You can't withdraw past your safety net. So you have money that you made, hard-earned money you made to trading, that is just was simply not withdrawable, and that is unacceptable by principle alone. So if that's the case, Pandas, Apex is dead. Apex is absolutely dead to me. That is like, yeah, that's not tolerable. That's insane. If Apex's new system is like, oh, you make all this money, but you can only take out this much of it, that is absolutely insane to me. So I'm waiting for Apex's response. Whatever the response is from here, like, it's gonna greatly affect my view on Apex. Unless you have the old accounts, like these new accounts are absolutely worthless. I'm sorry, they're worthless. I mean, you can pull out some money on them, but if you can't pull out like the money, hard-earned money you've earned in those accounts, they make it impossible for you to withdraw. It's dead. Like just by principle alone. Like, why would I want to trade a prop firm that won't allow me to withdraw money that I've earned in those accounts? And yeah, Apex is dead. If that's the case, but there's no way they're that evil, right? That greedy that they're not going to allow you to withdraw money after the sixth payout, right? Like to get like for some mechanism to get the rest of your money out. There's just no way Apex would do that and they think that that's okay with the general public. Because if that's the case, Pandas, I am officially declaring Apex dead. If that's the case. Um, I'm officially calling Apex dead. If that's the case. I'm messaging John. I'm messaging this, what is he, the COO, Chief Operating Officer of Apex. I'm literally I'm texting this guy now, saying you got to clarify this. This doesn't make sense because the support didn't didn't give me an answer. I mean, it's trading range day. Do I not go long here? Should I not go long here? It's trading range day. Like, is this not the Is this not the easiest long to take? Trading range day, no? This is not the easiest long to take. Trading range day. Nope, not after that. Oh, well, I guess I should have gone long. It is absolutely imperative, the answer to this question, because truly it doesn't matter to me any other rules you have. If they just close your account after the sixth payout and there's no way for you to get the rest of the money out of your account, I mean, even if they put a cap to it, let's just say like, they cap it at $250,000 or something. Like I don't care if they cap it like that, but at least you can take all the money out, the rest of the money out of your account. Then, that's fine. But if they're saying after the sixth payout, no matter what, we just close your account, all that extra money in there, it just vanishes. Like I'm officially calling Apex dead and an absolute scam. If that's the case, that's what I'm calling. But you know what? I'm gonna let them. I'm just setting the rules. I'm not saying that's what they are. But if that is the case, then that is what they are. So the way they answer this question is pretty important to me. If that's the case, man, Apex is officially dead to me. It's ridiculous if that's the case. The market's just so choppy right now. What are we doing here? I mean, limit order market. Buy at the previous candle's pivot lows. Deep retracement. Yeah, could have made some bamboo there if I tried. Previous pivot high. Sell. That's what they're trying to do here. Oh, goodness gracious, pandas. Okay, Davis. Luis, good morning. We're up 1285. Not too shabby on a day like today, but golly, it's disgusting. Bottom of trading range, possibly going back to the top. Big bull bars here. Just absolute follow through now. Interesting. But by the time you want to get in, it's too late, right? Because you get to the top of the trading range. It races up to it and doesn't give you a chance to really take advantage of the move. It's another channel here, pandas. There's just too many channels going on. Channel after channel after channel. High or low here. Depending on what range you're trading, I mean, that could be a decent long to take with scaling in. Actually, right? Scare money, make no money. Scare money, make no money. Scare money, make no money, pandas. Get ready. Scare money, make no money. I'm scared. I guess I make no money. This is super sketchy. Big bull bar on its high gets folded. You can't be scared to lose some money here, you know? But on a low EV day like today, is it even worth it is the question. The question. It is the question. Look at the 5-minute chart that tells you everything you need to know about today. Basically, don't trade. The 5-minute chart is telling you everything you need to know about today, which is just stay away. Golly, it's ugly. It's actually diabolical. Just stay away from it. With such a huge gap to the downside, I thought perhaps we would get some volatility today because we just opened at such a huge move to the downside. Basically, the overnight volatility was like the price action in the overnight session, the extended hours, the Globex session was better than the regular trading hours, which is Typical, I guess, nowadays. No way to make a trade here. Unless you literally just saw with limit orders here. That was the only way to make money here, in my opinion. Could go short here, I guess, too. I mean, a bull bar off this trend line, just like this or like this, could be your way to get a scalp here. But with 1, 2, 3, 4 bear bars in a row, okay. Two-legged move down to the bottom of this channel. I'll try to go long, I guess. I just don't think we're breaking out anywhere. I don't think we're going to. And people are just waiting for that bull bar just to go long. They made profit. They made scalp. Just this bull bar here. How much of a scalp? 1 to 1 and maybe 1 to 2. Small risk. Decently small risk. We failed to reach the bottom of the channel, which makes it difficult to go short here now. Pandas, depending on how Apex answers this question, I'm gonna give them some chance. I'm gonna give them a chance to respond, because that's we got it. I gotta know. I have to know. Triangle forming here. I mean, today is chopped. I would recommend just do not trade on days like today. You'll be very frustrated, very confused, and very annoyed. Would you say we're at resistance? This is why days like today are difficult, because you're always at resistances and you're always at supports. You're at, there's multiple trading ranges happening here, right? This itself is a trade, like, you have so many trading ranges. You have this channel as like acting as trading range. You have the previous candle highs as previous pivot highs as trading ranges. You have the bigger time frame trading range up here. So it's difficult. It's very difficult. Everything is low probability, bad risk reward trade. This is why I say stay away from days like today. Only reason why I'm here still is because I'm streaming. Otherwise, I would have turned this chart off already. I would have turned this chart off already. I mean, I'm up $1,285. I'm happy with that. I will be done for today. If I wasn't streaming, I would already be done. I would have closed the charts now. Like, this is not tradable in my opinion. It's not a tradable market. You can try, but you're just not gonna. You're just gonna be in bad trades every single time, and you're not gonna. It's not gonna be fun. You're not gonna. You're gonna drain your mental capital here. Could you say we're at resistance again? Yeah. So, like I said, like, look at the 5-minute chart. Previous candles highs can act as resistance, but we're also in the bigger trading range here where we can come all the way up here. So you're taking risk every time you try to short at the previous candles highs, previous pivot highs, right? You're taking a gamble here every single time, and it's not a good gamble, right? It's a low probability plus low or bad risk reward trades. It's just not. It's not a good environment to trade in. You never want to be in a bad risk reward, low probability trade. Like, if you're at bad risk reward, and at least you want very good probability. But if you're in an environment where bad risk reward and bad probability, then it's just like, why? Why would you want to even trade this? Switch to sim. Yeah, I'm fine. I can just be patient here. I don't mind waiting. Everything is a support. Everything is a resistance. But with anything, we want a two-legged move, right? Like I'm willing to go long if we get a bull bar somewhere down here after a two-legged move. Just by looking at what has been happening, it seems like a okay trade to take, right? If we test this low, two-legged move, and we have a good signal bar to go long, like to me, with everything that's been happening so far, I think it's a decent trade to take. You're not really going against trend. There's no trend, so you can't really go against it. There's no trend to go against here. That would have been too generous to get a trade like this, no? Strong bull bars now. 4 bull bars in a row. They're not particularly strong. It looks like a bear flag. It looks like interesting. Can't push down here. Not sure what's happening. Right, tons of doji bars on the 5-minute chart, right? Doji after doji after doji. People selling at the previous candle's high. They made bamboo. Higher low here, but I mean, what does it mean? What does it mean? It's too high for this trading range, but low enough for the bigger trading range. Higher low here. Confusion, right? Super choppy. I'll just tell you right now. If you take anything away from today, just on this channel, if you take anything from today, just know that I warned you to just stay away from days like today. That was me. I did that. I told you. Or if we get a good bull bar after the test of this pivot low, I will try to go long. I'll do it. I mean, if we get a setup, why not? It seems reasonable enough from the price action we've seen so far that this could happen, that this could be a good trade. Most breakouts fail. We'll need a decent bull bar here. Want to test this low. We didn't actually test it actually, but it does create it does create a double bottom, higher low double bottom. It's not a good signal bar. So we're sitting on our pause here, pandas. We're waiting for something better than this. And it could be me being too conservative, but I mean, why not wait? Why not wait? Like, what are we really missing here? We're just gonna miss a scalp if anything. So it is what it is. Oh, I better. Stupid. Okay, now we actually tested it. Now testing the bottom of the channel. If we get a good signal bar here, I'll try. I mean, it needs to be bullish. It needs to be green at least. Okay, it's slightly green. I'm gonna try. Whatever. Shall we? We've been in a trading range this whole day, and we're at the bottom of the trading range with the bullish signal bar coming off double supports here, and it's a two-legged move. So like one leg down, second leg down. Okay, we tried. And the risk was okay. It was, $290, whatever. I can try one more time to go long here. Especially if this is a bull bar. I can try one more time to go long. It's not a bull bar, so it makes it difficult to go long here. Does this want to break down now? Is the question. It's another bear bar. 2 bear bars now on the higher time frames. Looks like one of mine to test the low of the overnight low. Now it's a small pullback bear trend. Careful. I would be very careful to try to reverse this. It's starting to break down in a way where, yeah, I mean, it's starting to break down. Get multiple bear bars like this, closing on their lows. Not much you can do about this other than watch. You can try to join in, but you always have the risk of the trading range. Just rip your face off here. Lower high here. If you think this is a nice breakdown, this is an entry, pullback, first entry. It's a good signal bar actually to go long. It makes me feel like this is not a good, first entry because the signal bar here, it's not a good signal bar to go short against, and people did. Like I said, it's not good to go short against this. Second entry short now. I don't know. Too difficult to say what's going to happen here. Second entry short. Golly. Strong bear bar, anyone's low. I guess I'll try. It's a very small risk. It's a very small risk here. For its potential decent move to the downside. Yeah, I tried small risk. That's fine. I mean, small risk. I thought it was worth. Like, if this is a breakdown, then this is a decent entry for it. I mean, this is a breakdown. This could really move still. Can scale in one time. Scale in. Oh, it came out break even already on the scale in. Good thing I didn't scale in yet. I'll scale in on this one. If this is a bear bar, scale in. This is my target by a couple ticks. Hit my first target. Okay, bear bar, another bear bar. I could just keep going short here. Interesting. Sitting on my pause. At this point, I might as well wait for a pullback. And then try to go short. We don't get one. Okay, there's a pullback. There's a pullback. I might as well hold. I mean, not much to lose here. Oof. Nice little snap to the downside. Nice. Another little snap to the downside. I can just take on the first reversal up now. Okay. Or just hold. This will make my entry far enough where I can come to break even and still have good, decent distance from my break. I turned to a doji the last second. I'm coming at break even here. Darn it. I got a little greedy. I thought it was gonna make a lower low here, like a lower high. I really did think that. So I went in, but it just snapped at the very last second. Stupid market. This market's so dumb. Like I said, it could have been a decent move down if it's truly breaking down with small risk, and ended up unfortunately, yeah. I mean, came out break even at the end of that last trade. I was up like $400, something like that. I was up like $400, something like that. It's all good. Do I still want to go short here? Broke this high. We're no longer making higher lows, lower highs. We made a higher high this time. Second entry short. Could be okay. We'll see. I'd like a touch off the 20 EMA here, at least. No touch off the 20 EMA. It looks like it's going to keep going down without touching the 20 EMA, which makes this very difficult, right? It makes it very ugly, right? It looks like trading range behavior. Right now, your risk is quite large to go short here on a weird context here to go short. All right, just pop down, unfortunately. Takes me out before it really makes a move down. I mean, I'm just going to... Ooh! Golly! Doesn't quite test the overnight lows. Yikes, it's reversing here, actually. That's ugly. It didn't test the overnight lows, which is this blue line. Oh, what the... What in the world is happening here? I mean, if it reverses back up, it is what it is. I'll just take this real quick. I mean, if you give me free gold, I'll take it. If you give me free gold, I'll take it. I'll take that. If you give me free gold, I'll take it. I'll take that all day. What a reversal out of nowhere. Super unfortunate, though. Okay, we tested overnight lows. I mean, what can happen here? I'm not sure. I mean, it could just be downtrend day rest of the day. Interesting. I thought that's some sort of support, but not really. Not really. Imagine if you're like trying to scale in. Like, how many times have you scaled in at this point? Imagine you saw like how choppy it was all day, and you're like, all right, I'm gonna start scaling in, and then you scale in here, you scale in here, you have to scale in here again. It might be people scaling in and just finally we're able to come out break even with this. I don't know. It's absolutely wild how many times you have to have scaled in to come out break even. Closes beneath here. I mean, could start getting choppy here. People could be taking profits at the overnight lows. Makes sense to me. For me, this really broke down at the 5 minute, this candle here. And this looks like the breakdown here. And looking for a one-to-one after the breakdown. Right, those two went short here. I'm saying this breakdown because this bar was created here. And I think people saw this as a breakout bar, so they want to take the one-to-one here. And, you know, you still have some room to go. 24,300 essentially. We want to get down to here to make the one-to-one for those traders who took that breakout. It's a very low probability trade, but people took it. It was just insane. Low probability means like you gotta at least get the one-to-one. I mean, if you don't get the one-to-one, it's a negative EV play. Low probability trade means you gotta get. Personally, I think at least a 1-to-2. Do you think they're going to get the 1-to-2 on that trade? I don't know. I don't think so. We'll see, though. It's going back and forth here. People are taking profits at the previous overnight low. And how long did it take you to get your first payout like ever? About 2 months. First payout ever about 2 months. With Apex. Like, this is going down, but it's going down in the most, like, trickly, choppy way possible. Teeny little bars. The ATR now has turned from 22 to 15 now. It's just trickling to the downside, which kind of makes it difficult to trade, to be honest, because you get no entries. Like, you don't have any entries right now. When you scale in, the pullbacks are too deep. It takes you out. Break even. It's not the pullbacks are too deep, but the breakdown's not strong enough to really scale in here. Or scale up. I mean, if you're going to just keep going short, I'm just going to do this. Whatever. Like, if you're going to just keep doing this, I'll have to find a way to get short here. If you just going to keep going down, like, I'm just going to find a way to go short. I don't care if you take me out here. Like, I need to find a way to get short here because it just keeps going down, okay? The moment I enter, it rips my face off. Makes sense. I literally found the low of the day. Second just short here. Whatever. I mean, possible reversal here. I mean, could be okay reversal. Terrible signal bar to go long. Terrible signal bar to go long, so I'm not going long here unless this gives me a bull bar. Yeah, skipping that. Terrible signal bar to go long. Most likely trading range, right? Kind of sharp push to the upside, no follow through. Oh, white pattern here. Okay. Your fail second entry short still is viable. Decent push to the upside. Could be a reversal off the previous or overnight all. Strong bull bars now above the 20 MA. The 5-minute chart, confusing, right? Because you get this bear bar on its low, and this gets reversed, gets folded, showing you more trading range price action, right? That's limit order price action. Limit order market. Do I need a way just to get long here? Is the question. There's virtually no pullbacks here. Any 10-4 pullback gets bought up with limit order. Okay, we break the previous candles low. Curious to see what happens here. We break this high. Failed to break this high. Failed to break the previous pivot high. I mean, it was like a couple ticks. It's not that large. Second entry long here. It still feels like trading range, and we can come back up. That second entry long proved me wrong, obviously. It's gonna take me out here, most likely. It's a fail second entry long above the 20 MA. I mean, let's take the hit, but golly, that's diabolical. What can you do about it? Okay. Fair enough. I don't know. I thought we have a chance to push back up because we're trading range still. Trading range for price action. Trading range behavior. But maybe trending down. We're above the 20 MA, and that's diabolical to go short right there. I mean, who can go short right there, right above the 20 MA? I don't know. I don't know about you, but that's not something I like to do. Okay. Okay. Y pattern. Just confusion. Third entry long. Third entry long, no rhyme or reason to really take it. Terrible signal bar now. People taking it now is ridiculous. If you're taking this long now, it's a bit silly, in my opinion. Fourth entry long. Maybe a little more viable, but this push to the downside looks bearish. I mean, trust me, I've seen reversals that look like this, and it just rockets to the upside. I've seen it. Even after Sean pushes down, when you get a big reversal like this, it tend to be strong. Second entry short, 2500 tick chart. Let's see what happens with this. Okay. A little bit confused. Setting on my pause. Okay. Maybe he wants a new low here. This is confusing. Could be an uptrend. H4 setup. Strong bull Barney on time now. Okay. Keeping an eye on the 2500 tick chart. Jeez Louise, now it's pushing up. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Interesting market. I'm not sure what's happening here. I mean, I guess I was kind of right, thinking trading range, I was going to come back up. It just did it in a way I didn't know it was going to, I mean, I didn't know it was going to create the H4 here. But in a sense, I was right that because of the trading range behavior, limit order market, I thought we are going to come back up and just continue our trading, like continue to just range. Continue to just do something like, you know, let's continue this bigger channel or something like this, you know? Let's continue on. That's what I was thinking. Being break trend, new high. I don't know. We'll see. I don't think I'm taking that long. Could be a good long, but I don't think I'm taking it. It's like an entry long for me. Okay. Basically, very confused. I guess I'll take a failed second entry long here. What in the world is going on? Okay. Confusing. Hidden second entry long. Fair enough. Second entry short on the 2500 tick. But I don't know. I don't think I can take it. Does trigger the second entry short. Let's try here. Okay. I'm not reading this market well, I'll tell you that much. I'm not reading this market well, I'll tell you that much. I'm not reading this market well right now. What in the world was that? Takes me out, comes right back up. It's completely diabolical right now. I guess I gotta try. I don't know. I feel like I missed the move already. Got very confusing. A higher low, I guess I'll try here. Best signal bar for the higher low. Bad signal bar for the higher low. Not interested anymore. Could be a nice push to the upside, but this is a bad signal bar. It just looks more of the same. More or less the same, just sideways right now. Interesting. Oh, I don't know what's happening here. Yikes. Yikes. It's ugly. It's real ugly, pandas. It's real ugly right now. I could pay the price here. Yeah. It doesn't even break the previous candle's high. I definitely paid the price there. It didn't break the previous candle's high. I thought it was going to for sure. But I didn't do it. I don't know what's happening here. I keep trying to trade this. And I told myself, I told everyone, just don't trade this. Stay away from this. Yeah, here I am. I don't know. Okay, I'll try. One last try. Oh, that's so ugly. No, thank you. Never mind. I think the market's made its decision. I think the market made its decision here. My only entry will be a failed second entry long at this point. How about we go big, go home? Go big, go home? Go big, go home? Fernandez, go big, go home? Go big, go home. Give me a failed second entry long here. Come to Papa. Give me that failed second entry long. Waiting, patience, 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 being patient here. Waiting for the failed second entry long. Waiting for the fail second entry long. It's not giving it to me, pandas. Waiting for the fail second entry long. It's not giving it to me. It's going to run away without me. Running away without me. Gotta be patient though. If you see like a A+ setup, you gotta wait for it. It's still okay here. I feel like I just won't be able to get in. If it really wants to push down, I'm not gonna be able to get in. Yeah, bye-bye. I tried. I was patient. I wanted to fail second entry long here. Couldn't get it. Ooh. Go big, go home. Go big, go home. Gotta let the candle finish. I do not want an outside bar reversal. I certainly do not want an outside bar reversal. I certainly don't want an outside bar reversal. There it is. All right, we gotta wait for the move. There it is. There it is. Just wait. Wait for it. Oh, jeez Louise. Are you kidding me? Whoa. Whoa. I don't know anymore, pandas. I'm ultra confused, actually, now. I'm ultra confused. I'm super ultra confused right now. I'm super duper ultra confused. I'm glad I didn't take that short. I would have busted all my counts. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it wants a new high. I don't know, pandas. This is very confusing here. I think I know my next trade. I think I got it. It's a fail trap here on the 2500 tick. That's my next trade, pandas. I mean, it's a trading range day for sure. I don't know why I'm trying to go short here. Yeah, there it is. This is why you're patient. This is why patience pays, pandas. Patience pays. This is why patience pays. Okay. Still confusing. Yikes. I'm very confused. But, okay. Whatever. If you want to give it to me like that, sure, why not? I feel very uncertain about this. I feel very uncertain about this. I feel very. I think I'm gonna watch this play out. I feel very uncertain about this. I mean, too many overlapping bars. Too much confusion here, no? I have no clue. I'm down 340. I was up like $2,000 at a certain point. So, ouch. I mean, what can you do about it? I took the trades I thought you gotta take. I took the trades I thought you gotta take. And now you gotta do what you gotta do. You can't live in fear, pandas. You can't live in fear, pandas. You gotta take what's given. And this is just 2 minute overlapping bars. Right now what's given is nada. Nada mucho. Big channel here. Could be just a bounce off the top of the channel. There it is. Okay. I mean, a failed trap here I'll take. Trap here I'll take. Failed trap here I'll take. It's just too confusing, pandas. I'm not sure what's happening here. Five-minute candles could suggest reversal here. Right, got two bull bars in a row. Yeah, the market's just not going to give us anything here that's tradable. Yeah, push it down, but it's too hard. Too hard to take that, in my opinion. Too hard to take that, in my opinion. Doesn't go very far and retraces completely back. Jeez. Very confusing. Very confusing. Very confusing. I have nothing to do here, man. I got nothing to do here. I got some bad news, pandas. I got some bad news. I think I may. Like, the thing is, I still have some Apex accounts, like the old ones, legacy accounts. Oh. Pandas. Pandas. This is absolutely wild here. Untradeable price action. I'm down 300 and for good reason. It's just really hard to trade this. I could look for a scalp somewhere, I guess. Look, Ma, I could scalp. We're technically still in this channel, like, multiple hits off of it. So, downtrend, actually. But, I mean, we just went through, like, several minutes of just completely sideways price action. Pandas. Pandas. Oh, man. I don't know. I don't know. So, like yesterday, the discussion was with the 6 payouts that after the 6 payout, they'll liquidate your accounts and they kind of give you the rest of the money in there. But I am messaging Apex and trying to clarify what really happens. Like, I need to hear from them. And right now, uh, from what they are telling me, they are just giving me the same article that I've been reading, that I've read yesterday, where it gives you no mention of you being able to withdraw the extra money after the 6 payout. Um, and I asked them to clarify once again, and I'm giving them a chance to, really kind of answer this question because it's very important for me. Very important for me. Like, I really need to know the answer to this question. I mean, technically, we're still in this channel and top of the channel now. I don't know. I don't know why I'm trying to go long here. I just get excited when I see big moves. Big bear bar ending on its low. People just selling that bear bar, thinking we're just in a smaller channel within the channel here. What do I do here? Okay. Really confusing. Like, very difficult day to trade today, in my opinion. I guess. Whoa. Whoa. Fill that gap. They can get back to the bottom of this channel. Could maybe create a second entry long to get to the top of the channel. No problem doing that either. That's a bar reversal. I mean, it's just absolutely wild. Really untradeable price action, in my opinion. Strong bull bars. Okay. Strong bull bars. Okay. reversal fails. But no follow through on this bull bar. Have to break out. I'm gonna try to go short here. Unless this is breaking out. Okay, no longer interested in short. Unless it's breaking out, making a really strong reversal here to go long. Okay, no follow through on that bull bar. I guess you need 2 bear bars in a row to make sense of this. This is difficult. It's really diabolical. Okay. This is trying to get to somewhere. Okay. It's ridiculous. Truly untradeable price action. I'm gonna go short here. I'm just gonna go short. Let's see what happens. I should go with limit orders here. That's kind of a big risk. Yeah, limit orders. The moment the bar closes, they just sold. Limit order trades. Limit orders down here is what I'm scared of. To go short. Barely enough money. Barely enough space to make 20 points here. Scare money, make no money. Let's get it. Bear bar ending on its low. Gets bought up immediately. Scare money, make no money. Oh, shoot. Ah. Ah. I can't reverse this. It's doing the most disgusting breakout after this nasty slug-like price action. It's just a big slug here. I guess it's pretty strong, pretty bullish. Multiple bull bars in a row. I guess I should look for a long trade. That's the tough part. Do I look for a long trade here, or do I look for a reversal at this point? Need to find some key area. 20 EMA on the... Whoa! I could try. I could try here. 20 EMA reversal. If we could even get there. I'm going to try to take a reversal of the 20 EMA. Thoughts and prayers, Manus. Thoughts and prayers will be good about now. Hopefully we get some good risk reward here. It's a 20 EMA 5-minute trade. It's the first time touching it in about forevers. I'm gonna get burned here. I hope I can get some good reward here. Good risk reward on this trade, hopefully. I don't want to risk too much because, you know, if you're risking too much, then it's like, it's obviously going to just rip through the 20 EMA. 20 EMA, it rips through, huh? I mean, 20 points, it's kind of a lot, no? Hold! I'm done. I'm done. I'm absolutely done. I'll just take the hit. It's fine. I mean, I didn't want to risk too much. I thought we had a really good risk reward chance there, but that was a little bit loco. Like I said, 5 minutes. These two bull bars here could have signaled the reversal, and it did ultimately. And I was trying to start reversing it because I noticed the limit order buys at this strong bear bar. That's not normal, right? Strong bear bar, limit order buys. That's not normal for a strong bear trend, right? If that's a bear trend, that shouldn't happen. It shouldn't look like that. And that's what was happening. So I felt like, okay, we're probably still in trading range. Probably come back up into this area that we traded a long time in, and lo and behold, here we are. Lo and behold, here we are. Golly. Golly, pandas. It's still trading range day. So now you're looking for a reversal, but when will that ever happen? I'm down 745. I think that's the max I would like to lose any particular day. So here we are at our max loss. Wonderful. I would like to lose more than that. Fortunately, I think I lost my trailing threshold here. Let me see where I'm at right now. Yeah, $1,000 basically. Ooh, 1,800-ish. 1,000, yeah. I don't know, because I made so much profits early on. Even though I'm down only 745, my trailing threshold got obliterated because I made so much money early on. I was like up $2,000 today. I was up 2K today, and now my threshold's like almost 2,000, like around $2,000. All right, because you get 4,500. I was up like 2K. I'm down 745. Makes sense, right? About. Yeah, this is not a good day to trade, in my opinion. It's just very difficult, and good luck for those who are trading this still. I should have followed my own advice and just say, hey, don't trade. Shut your charts down. Like I said, like if I wasn't streaming, I would have shut these down. I would shut this chart down a long time ago. I would have shut it down once I saw anything like this. I'm done. I'm done. What was the point of trading this? I was up like $1,500 already. What was the point of continuing to trade on a day like today? Disgusting. Absolutely ridiculous. Small pullback bull trend here. All right, Pan, I think that's it. It's just honestly pretty upset about Apex right now. I don't know. I'm waiting for the response, but it doesn't look too good. We'll see. I want to give them a chance to like really consider this like new accounts that they have. Like I don't know. I want to give them time to think about it. So I'm not gonna make final opinions until they've fully released what they wanna do with this. All right, Panis. I'll see you guys brighter tomorrow. I mean, what can you do? It is what it is. Down 7:45, and we'll call it a day. So, Panis. See your days like this, but you need 5 trading days. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the 5 trading days. I guess $300 or more. It depends on your account size, but most of you guys probably trade a 50K accounts, so you need like what, $250 or more. It's like an entry long here. Doesn't even give us a second entry long. It teases us for it, but doesn't give it to us. Doesn't touch the 20 EMA yet. I'll wait. Second entry long. I mean, if anything, you just look for a fail second entry. Look for any reversal, any reason to reverse you want to take. Second entry long doesn't touch the 20 EMA, so not feasible for you to take. Coming off one key area, not even. Second entry long here. Gotta think about this overshoot. Okay, pushing down. Okay, second entry long. Completely overlapping bars. Feels like actually long, but it'll run right into supports. Feels like actually long, but again, above the 20 MA, so you can't take it. And it's going back and forth, doing absolutely nothing. Breaks to the upside, it is what it is. What can you do about it? Just can't enter this. Super choppy. Finally does touch the 20 EMA though, so that's a good thing, I guess, if you're long. Lots of tails here now. Still clearly above the 20 EMA, which is good if you're a bull. About 5 bajillions of overlapping bars. What can you do about it? Not much. Just watch. Just watch. Can't take the short here. You're running to double supports. Okay. It looks like it wants to go up, in my opinion. It looks like it wants to take off. Right? It's ramping off the 20 MA. Only reason why it's hard to go long is because you got so many overlapping bars here, so it's difficult to tell what's going to happen. I'm looking for maybe one more trade here, but what can you do about it? It's looking super ugly. Super nasty price action right now. I mean, if you even go long here, it could double top at this point. It's super choppy. Yeah, I mean, eventually it does work out, gives you a new high, but look what you have to go through. 1, 2, 3, 4 completely overlapping bars. It's disgusting. Disgusting price action to me. It's not something I like to trade, in my opinion. Okay. Like I said, I could double top here, so you just can't really go long after this breakout. Could set us another chance to reverse here. Five-minute, always in long, pretty much. But trading range day. So, right, at 5-minute, we're just back in this good old nasty trading range. We're just right back into it. We don't even make a one-to-one at the breakout point, which is super disgusting. Right, we don't make a one-to-one. So any swing traders here just getting obliterated right now. High or low. I've seen better setups. Looking for that new high, so I'm thinking. Pressure cooking right here. Second inch long, maybe. Probably make a new high before it triggers a second pullback. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Okay. It makes a new high, so no second pullback, no two-legged pullback. Feels like it's a short, maybe pressurized cooking, but again, look at your price action, pandas. Like the only reason why I feel like it's very bullish is because we're clearly above the 20 MA, and we are just like we bounced right off of it so perfectly, and stayed within our channel as well. Very confusing, in my opinion. Just overall, to be honest, like impossible to trade. Very difficult to trade, in my opinion. Always in long on the 5-minute chart still. Untradeable price action. Like, how are you going to get into this? Like, you're going through so much. 40 points. Going through a lot just to get 40 points here. I don't know. I don't think it's tradable. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm trying to find something convincing, but this is just terrible. Pandas, I think we're gonna call it here. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll give you updates with Apex if they respond. Just be on standby, honestly, with them. So, Pandas, that being said, hope you guys are trading better than me, and I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. As always, I'm sharing good bless. Bye.